My name is Ashleigh Freeman, and I'm going home today after having the gastric sleeve here in Mexicali. I just wanted to talk a little bit about my experience and kind of the things that I've went through here. It's been an awesome experience. I've loved this hospital. It's first of all, the hospital is absolutely clean. Every single time I'm walking down the halls, there's always someone cleaning and cleaning. There's nothing even to clean, but they continue to clean. It's just an amazing environment. I've felt very listened to here. I got here, and the first day we did some pre-op tests, and I felt like everything was just very, very clearly explained to me exactly what was going to happen. I met with the surgeon, I met with the doctor, I met with the anesthesiologist, I met with everyone, and they explained to me very clearly what was going to happen, and I felt very prepared and listened to. I'm not as nervous. I did a series of pre-op tests the first day, and then we left and went to our hotel. The next day we woke up and were driven back here. And again, before the surgery, I met with the doctor and the anesthesiologist and the surgeon, and they kind of just went over it again to see if I had any last questions. And after that, I had the surgery, and the hospital staff, the nurses, were so attentive to my needs. I mean, it's just been an incredible experience. The recovery was absolutely great. The first day was a little hard in recovery, but because of the nurses here and them being attentive to my needs and being able to answer all my questions, I was able to get through the first day. And after that, obviously there was still some recovering, but it was really good from there. And I've just been very impressed with the staff here, that they've been so willing to help me out, and if I've had any questions, they've answered them. Like I said, the hospital is absolutely clean. And one thing that is really important to me that I'm really grateful for here is they do a series of tests to make sure there's no leaks or internal bleeds. So the second day, they had me drink this blue dye, and I had a JP drain out of my stomach, and they had me drink this cup full of blue dye, and there was no dye in the drain, and so we knew that because I didn't see any blue in the drain that there wasn't a leak. And then the next day, before I could drink my broth, we did another barium test, and we could see there also wasn't a leak. And so all in all, it's just a very safe experience. They're very, very cautious to make sure that we're safe, and they make sure that all of your questions are answered. And I just had a really wonderful experience. I'd recommend this to anyone, to my friends, family, to anyone who has questions. So that's it.